Jackson, hi. Hi there.
Warm yet, baby?
No? Oh,
Checking on the chicken.
yes. Are you just a big boy? Huh? You gonna smile and talk to Grandma? Hi there. Hi, Jackson. Yes, hi.
Gotta be quick though, Mom. You kind of have to anticipate the smile.
Oh, are you so excited? Such an excited little boy. He's a busy boy. You are wiggling. Such a big boy. So excited you are. You are doing your exercises. Oh. Ooh. Yeah. Yes, yes, Grandma's listening to you. Oh, you have so much to say. Such a big boy you are.